Do you want to win more new business in 2020? Then coming up are 3 ways to win proposals. Welcome to Daily Achiever episode 109. I'm your host, Malcolm Gallagher. Now, today's thought comes with a use with care notice, and you'll hopefully soon see why. In this short video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to win proposals, but remember, caution. The 3 are: sell what you've got and convince them to buy it. Figure out what they want and sell them a fulfilling offer. Sell on price. Now, before you express distaste about what I've just said, let's consider how you would use the 3. Understand which of the 3 applies and when. One approach doesn't fit all situations. Then present a more focused message. In 2020, you'll have to be a supplier plus if you want to win. Thinking will be needed. We're rolling out our Supplier 2020 Plus programs now, including Built to Supply and our Bid Pulse scorecard. You can join our free content library at bizvision.co.uk. See the free Supplier Plus TV channel and listen to the Achiever Plus podcast with its Supplier Spark segment. And it's all at bizvision.co.uk.